Wait a minute. Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be trying to make this viral shoe corset, and I've been trying to make this video for so long, like so long. And y'all, I'm sorry that y'all had to see this, but I feel like my hair would be a distraction, and my hair look like I'm stretching out my hair, and I feel like it'll be a distraction if y'all keep watching me, so y'all are not going to watch me. So I got these shoes from my brother. They are huge, like they are almost as big as my head. No, they are bigger than my head. So I feel like a big shoe would make the corset, you know, would make the corset better because it's more fabric. So these are the shoes. They're Patrick Ewing's. He hasn't worn these since middle school, and we're in college now, so he said he wouldn't mind if I made it into a shoe corset. So that's what I'm going to do. The first step is to cut it off the sole. So okay, so these are the shoes off of the soles. So you can just, I guess, throw the soles, and I'm just gonna make a few more cuts. This shoe is so structured, so it's a little harder to get everything, but I'm gonna just cut this tongue. After I cut some of the tongue off, I'm going to cut one shoe in half. One shoe will be for the front, and one shoe will be for both of the sides. Okay, now you just want to take off all this extra pieces, the hard pieces where you won't be able to sew through. On the inspiration picture, she cuts the thing all the way in half and then flips it over, but I feel like I'm probably gonna glue this part over because this seemed like a lot of sewing, so I'm probably gonna glue that. One shoe I cut it up and cut this part up and kept it like this. But with the other shoe, I'm going to cut the whole thing in half. So I already cut the back half. Now I'm going to cut. Bam. So this is the look I'm going for. I don't know yet. Okay, so I have all the pieces right here, and with two shoes it's just not going to work. So like, this is how it's supposed to look. I do not know how to get this part flat. Like, I do not know. Okay, but this is how it's going to look. And then you're supposed to add the sides like here. But look, it's just going to be shoestrings in here. I don't really like that look, so I think I'm going to try to change it so it can have more space in the back. So I think we're going to try to, like, maybe sew it like this, and then maybe add shoestrings right here, like little holes to put shoestrings in, and then it can be in the back. Like, and then on this side it will be the same, and then they meet together and you put the shoestrings right here in it, and then bam. But yeah, that's the plan. I hope y'all can see, but I'll show y'all more in depth when I actually do it. Okay y'all, so it is so hard to pin these on here, but this is the layout I want it to be like, kind of. I'm going to sew right here, and then I'm probably going to put holes, like a couple holes right here and then down here. This is the plan. I can't pin it, so I don't know. I might use, okay, it's basting spray. It's basically so you won't have to pin it, because ooh, it's so hard. So let's see if it works. Bam. It's only temporary, so I need to hurry up and sew it. You're definitely going to need heavy duty needles for this project, and I used the 110/18, the heaviest one. Definitely going to need it. Ooh. I'm using a hand crank because like it might mess up my machine if I don't. Finally done. Oh my goodness. With one side. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if this sewing is that great, so I am going to add probably some super glue, like up here, and then on the back. It's stuck, but super glue is gonna reinforce it. Okay, everything is sewed and glued, and this is how it looks. I haven't sewed this part yet because I don't know how I can make it flat, so I'm gonna wait on that part. But this is how it looks. Then I'm going to put string to go through here and here, and then on the sides I'm going to add some holes down so I can add some string. And I'm going to start on this side and use this cutter to cut small slits